And welcome once again to my world maths and physics. In this video, I'm going to be solving this indices question. 8 to the power of x is equal to 64. 3 to the power of y is equal to 27. Then x plus y is, we don't know the answer, but right now we're going to look for the answer using indices. So now we have 8 to the power of x is equal to, of course we know 64 is 8 times 8, that's 8 squared. This implies that x is going to be equal to 2 when we compare both equations and we equate the powers. Same goes to the second equation. 3 to the power of y is equal to, of course, no 27 is 3 to the power of 3. This also implies that y is equal to 3. So therefore, x plus y now is going to be equal to 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to click the plus sign to follow me, like this video, share this video, let me know your thoughts in the comments, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're watching the video on Facebook, please do it to follow me and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. I will see you in the next video. Stay with us.